It's a weird feeling. I want to have an erection, but I'm too scared. Guys, we're at Ring Freaks right now. And look at that lineup. I think this one is me. 325 IS. I'm about to do my first lap to the Nurburgring, guys. I'm pretty worried because it's raining out there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just hope for the best and have fun. It's so slippery out. I have to keep in mind that the fact that I have no traction control, the only thing keeping this car on the road is the flaccid piece of meat behind the steering wheel and on top of the seat. This idiot. Oh no. Oh God. Coming out to float flats. I am such a pussy right now. The fastest sweeper is in here. I'm slowing the fuck down. There's no one behind me. See, HID's coming up behind me. And the part I don't want it to be is coming up really fast. I'm going to indicate right. Go ahead and pass me, please. Here's the late apex out of force. I think that's where we're at. I don't want to be on YouTube. Another car behind me. Looks like a Golf. Go ahead, pass. Apex. Holy shit, this is a huge hill. And I'm going at like 50. Is that Nurburgring? I don't know. Justin, concentrate on driving. Holy shit. Very slippery, you can feel it. Pretty fast section of the Nurburgring from what I remember. Very fast sweeps. We're not going to be doing that right now though. Carousel's coming up soon. That was a terrible idea. Well, holy crap. What an awesome corner. There's a Clio behind me. Please pass. God, the locals are quick. I didn't even see them. Even on some light acceleration, I can feel the rear tires wanting to just go. Oh, fuck. I'm pretty sure I'm taking the absolute wrong line for this area. The brakes are so cold. Oh, fuck. A bit of understeer. Oh no, there's people. Don't look at me. Don't look at my shame. YouTube coming up. Please don't be in YouTube. Please don't be in YouTube. Please don't be in YouTube. Oh. Once again, no one behind me, which is excellent. But holy shit, that was slippery. There's another car behind me. Oh, fuck. clench back there. Oh no, this is the compression part. Fucking hell. Went slow through there, of course. What the fuck? No! Okay, good. Fast car coming up. Stay on the right, Justin, stay on the right. Oh, that's a big downhill. Please pass me! Signal on. I'm gonna slow the hell down right now. You pass me. You go ahead. Oh man, there's people everywhere. Just pass me. Just go. GT3. I'm past my E63 wagon. Oh, nice. 997 that one. Holy shit, that was just a fucking... That was a mess. I was being such a pussy back. Oh, it didn't go through the carousel. The finish line's almost there. Oh God, why did it have to slip a bit? Oh, it's such a long corner, just make it end! Here she is, the finish line! Oh, might as well full throttle a little bit. Finally! We fucking did it! I'm out for the Nurburgring! Yeah! Woo! Slow as shit, but who fucking cares? I did it! Oh my God! It's a weird feeling. I want to have an erection, but I'm too scared. Oh! Okay, fourth gear. Back to the ticket office so I can... I don't know if I'm gonna puke. I don't think I actually shit out the chili cheese fries I ordered yesterday from Devil's Diner, but it'll probably come out soon. Oh. Oh. We did it. We're in one piece. Oh God. That was intense. That was a lot.
Dude, how much did you let go?
Huh?
I let go a few times.
The back end started kicking out. I nearly shit myself.
I stopped pushing after
And
like 3 times I spun.
You what?
I started understeering.
I was driving like a pussy and this car still wanted to slide around.
Even if you were, yeah, you were all pussyfoot. I was pussyfooting it. It was still going, man.
Oh.
There was no way. People are
Oh, fuck. Alright, I'm gonna get out of the car. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna stop the GoPro now. Let me gather my thoughts here. Okay. Bye-bye.